What kind of material goes in a crawl space house leveling job? Hey, I'm Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we're just starting a job here in Cameron, Texas on this old home. And I just thought I'd point out a couple things that we just downloaded from the truck. We've got an array of floor joists right through here. That's 2x6 pressure treated pine. Right over here, the thicker material on this end on the right is 4x6 pressure treated pine as well. Those are main sills and shaker sills going into sturdy up the floors. Also, we've got a small start stack of concrete bases that will be the start of the concrete base block combos. Here's a demonstration, a little bit of a mock-up what this looks like. One 4-inch thick 16 by 16 square pad stacked up with 8-inch cinder blocks, smaller cinder blocks, and concrete pads until we get to cedar shingles on top to shim at the best, most precise level we can. Real quick shot of what this crawl space looks like after really only a day of work is we cleared out all this dirt right through here just to get access to these rotted out, termite chewed floor joists so we can bring some improved sturdiness to the floors. Still got some digging going on right over there. Gotta clear out all this dirt just to get to the problem areas and make it right.